Hey guys, what's up? Okay, it has been a minute since I did a behind the scenes video, but there's a good reason for that. So at the end of last year, I was definitely hitting burnout. And I had a friend tell me, you know, there's a reason that shows have seasons and then time off. Meanwhile, I've kind of just been trying to crank out episodes every 2 weeks for over 5 years. So, and I don't travel full time, so it's a lot of traveling back and forth and filming and then back and editing and putting it out. So, not that I'm complaining because I genuinely love what I do, but I did need some time off. We still put out some videos actually because we did the show sizzle reel and my hosting sizzle reel. But we just got back from Madison, Wisconsin, so there will be some new episodes coming out. Let me tell you, they have some ridiculously good food and of course beer and cheese and adventure. So stay tuned for those. Hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed so that you get notified when they come out. But I wanted to fill you in on kind of what's been going on behind the scenes for the last 2 months. And one of my goals this year is to do more of these behind the scene videos just because first of all, I like to pop in and say hi. But also I'm all about showing the non-glamorous stuff and kind of behind the scenes of what the business side of it is like. So the past 2 months have been a lot of that, a lot of brushing up the website, which got a new facelift, so you can check it out at monicagoes.com. You know, cleaning up some old blogs, reaching out to potential destinations, things like that. One cool thing that I did that I'm super stoked about is I kind of hermited for 2 weeks to study because I just got my drone pilot's license, which was a big to do for 2020, and I'm pretty pumped that I did it in January. So I now have a commercial drone pilot's license and I'm hoping to get better flying and kind of make that a little side hustle thing as well. And next week, if you are in the Southern California area, the Los Angeles Travel and Adventure Show is going on. This is one of my favorite shows just because the speakers are incredible. I mean, they have Samantha Brown, Rick Steves, Peter Greenberg, Paula Fromer. Like, you can ride a camel, you can go snorkeling, destinations from all over the world. So I love going every year, and actually this year I will be speaking. So I'm actually on a panel with 2 other bloggers, Gotta Have Charisma and There's So Much to See. And we are speaking about becoming travel influencers, starting out a travel blog, or in my case, vlog and blog. And it's being moderated by She's Wonderful CEO Beth Santos. So they do the Women in Travel Summit that I go to every year and that I actually spoke at last year. So that should be super fun. I'm actually speaking Saturday, February 15th at 4:15 at the Savvy Theater. So if you are around, check it out. Tickets are super cheap. They're, I think, $11. And then if you use the code WONDERFUL20, you get $5 off. So $6 tickets for all of that. It's a really good deal. And it'll be super fun. So come say hi if you guys are out. And if you're watching this after the fact, I'm so sorry. I'm gonna try to do a behind the scenes video from the conference as well to show you what it's like and kind of what we talk about. In April, I'm speaking at the Outdoor Media Summit in Estes Park in Colorado, which I've never been to this conference, so I don't really know what to expect, but I'm really excited. Outdoor media sounds pretty perfect. Let's see, what else? Just got back from Madison. Oh, so today I am crossing another big one off the bucket list, and I signed up for another half marathon, which is crazy. I think it was 4 years ago, I ran the Hollywood Half Marathon, finished, and was like, I could probably do a marathon. No, they're different. So I did the LA Marathon and got done with that. And I was like, you know what, I'm kind of done running 11, 18 miles a day. So I took 3 years off, got really out of shape, didn't run much. And so it was always in the back of my mind to sign up for another one. And a friend of mine just said, just do it, just sign up and then you have to train. So I think it's April 5th or 6th, I'm running the Nike Women's Half Marathon. So this morning I just did a 7-mile run. It was pretty brutal, but I will get it back. Yeah, so one of my big things this year was to not burn out. I want to find a way to have more balance of my personal life and just things that I want to do for me, like joining the running club and signing up for a half marathon, as well as all of the travel and adventure and sharing that with you guys. So those are the big goals and what's going on, and hopefully it won't be like another year before I do a behind the scenes. I'm pretty sure I have gray hairs now that I didn't have last time. That tells you how long it's been. So I promise I will do more of these this year. Pop in, say hi, and stay tuned for Madison videos. See y'all next time.